Maintenance at Hayes is now a 24-hour operation. The canteen is clean, tidy and has morale-boosting posters on the wall. Righto, Hayes evening shift. Would someone like to tell me what time of night it is? 20 after 10. And here you are, feeding your faces again. Still, yeah, probably still. Stirring signs on the walls in here. The workshops at Duncan have the feel of an elite military unit. It's commanded by Richard, a man for whom no job is too big.
Down in here. I don't know if...
At the moment, his team is renovating 3 second or even third-hand yarders bought in from Alaska. Every pipe and pump will get a thorough overhaul. They'll be fitted with new cabs. And the booms also need a lot of attention.
You can see in here there's a cross member that's completely gone right out of this one. It's long gone, broken away. And then as we work our way down, there's a lot of, you'll see the wear and tear from cables and grapples on there. And further down here, this is a real weak point here. It's all breaking up in here, and it's because of where the bend is, I think, going across here. So it takes a lot of stress right here, and it's broken quite badly here. And then further down here, these pipes here, I'm guessing, filled up with water, and they've all bulged out right through here. You can see how that's supposed to be flat, and it isn't flat anymore. And the other side's the same, and it's even split. And then the very...
So where did the machine come from?
Alaska, from what I understand.
So moisture has got inside those pipes?
It'd be rainwater, yeah. Yeah, it's somewhere it found a hole or there was a crack in it, and naturally the boom's always standing up in the air, so the water goes down there and lays in there. A lot of times you'll see holes drilled in them just to drain the water out so that that doesn't happen.
Once the yarders have been rebuilt, they have to be reassembled in the logging area. Cables have to be rethreaded. A job that's not made any easier by the weather.